Hey guys, how's it going? Today we got another cool horn to look at. So, this is a Nathan Arenshine K5LA. This horn is an 80s horn. Now, almost in mint condition. Very clean, very nice horn. Internals are just perfect. Very meticulously cleaned by a friend of mine. It does have your Amtrak style cones. So anyway, it is a tagless horn, of course, being an 80s horn. So really cool horn. Now it is a standard K5LA. It's got a 1, a 2, a 3A, a 4A, and a 5. These Amtrak cones are very hard to find, and this is a really nice set. They're in perfect condition. So I actually picked this horn up on a trip I went on recently, back I guess about a month ago or so. So anyway, really cool horn. Not much more to say about it. I don't know that it was an Amtrak horn. It is set up as an Amtrak horn. So, you know, I don't know really the history on this horn, but it is in just near mint perfect condition. So, and it sounds great. So anyway, I appreciate it, guys. This is the 80s widefont Amtrak style K5LA.